back at Bibi Mulia to do the breathwork grounding. It's just so beautiful. Mindy's come with me for a little walk. Good stimulation. Good practice not chasing birds. Can you hear them? It's just magnificent here. Who would know? Right in the middle of the burbs. I think they're all magpie geese. I think it's a whole flock of them coming in. I'd come here too if I was a bird. Here they come. Probably can't see them. Yes. Ducks and geese and better hurry. There, look at them all. Hope you can see them. Look at them gliding in. They're like, oh yeah, this is a great spot. Here they come. Oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey. Whoa. How special. There they are, all splashing in. How cool. And just like right in the middle of the suburbs. Insane, hey? Bribey's got it all, mate. It's got it all. So I'll face it this way so you get to see this while I'm doing my exercise, our grounding and our breath work. So check, lemon water, yes. And being outside, connection. It's a beautiful day. Breath work, sunlight. Nice. All right, let's go, Trace. Let's tilt this down a little bit. So, breathing in. Relax down. Hold your breath out. Breathe in. Sip it up. Stretch. Keep holding. And let it out. Good job. Get into your kidneys. So we're just tapping, activating, moving, vibrating. Get everything working. Breathing in into your lungs, lung meridians. Breathing in. Lightly tapping, hold it. And out. Another full breath in. And out. And in. And out. Good job. Shake it all. Some kicks. Ooh. Oh, 2 cracks in the hips. Shake it. Nice. Oh, there's another breath. Oh, where you breathe in a bit extra, like we do with the other breath, and out. And when you use your hands and your arms with it, it just helps your body to regulate and do it. It's supposed to really regulate your nervous system, which it seems that we all need to really do this, you know, when we're feeling a bit uptight or anxious, you know, things aren't going right. Just slow your breathing down. And it's the focused breath work. So you breathe in, use your hands, sip it up, and slow it down. Beautiful. And they talk about the salamander. So where you, you tilt your head to the side and then you just look up like a little salamander. You don't have to lick your eyeballs. And then you breathe in and out. It does something with the brain with looking up and tilting your head over. And apparently you can do it on all fours as well. And you actually tilt your whole head and like you tilt your arm as well. So that's a different one. Another one is using the square. So you breathe in for 4, hold for 4, out for 4, rest for 4. Breathe in, hold it, out, and rest. Morning. Hi. Couple of little chaps. I know, right? Good job. Okay, breathing in and out. You get to see all the good stuff. Get your spine moving. So try and relax it as you're doing it so it can just move by itself. And this way, so you're tilting it back like a duck, stick your butt out, stick your boobs out. And then round and round, like a Mr. Whippy. If you can move it all, great. Get your arms up. And then the other way. So you're really moving your spine all different ways. Nice work. Well done. I've done all that. Yep. You're watching all the birdies, aren't you? You're being a very good girl. Breathing in. You're activating your large muscles. Nice work. Well done. I want to add also, I don't want to add that. So just another idea to try to add into what you're doing, into your repertoire. When you've eaten, you sit down and you eat. If you can, try and be mindful of each mouthful. Really taste it, chew it, all of those things. But when you've finished, do a little bit of exercise. If you can't go for a walk for your digestion, you can walk on the spot. Just do it for, Just a few minutes. Move around, do some squats. And what it does is it uses up the glucose, because often you'll have like a glucose spike after you've eaten. You can help that also by having your fibre before anything with sugar in it. So if you have like your salad or your veggies, have that first before your meat and your other foods. So it just gives a little bit of a fibre barrier then. But then just a little bit of exercise. Doesn't have to be a lot. Just a little bit. Move your body. Or you can even, here's a great idea, put some music on. That's an even better idea. So after food dance session, you can even you can do like good time management, which us ladies often like to do, is put the music on, do some movement. You can even do some vacuuming, something if you want. You know, if that needs to be done, you can do it while the music's on, and you can dance with it. And then you've got your dancing after your exercise, after your food, and you've got something else done as well. How's that? Just an idea. And hey, these are ideal ideas. Just remember that. You know, be kind to yourself. It doesn't always work exactly as you want it. Unfortunately, we like to control everything. I do, because I like to be certain of things, you know, and to control it all. But life isn't like that, is it? You know, other things come into play, and, you know, you get thrown out of whack a little bit. So being adaptable is a good thing, and move and flow with it. And then just have certain certainties in your life. No matter what, I do my grounding and I do my lemon drink. You know, I give to myself first. It's very important. You know, it sets you up. And just having all these different things in your toolbox to navigate life. So having your breath work, your grounding, your lemon drinks, your breath work is very important. And that just stabilizes your nervous system, regulates your nervous system, you know, things like that. And be just mindful of what you put in your mouth. Yeah. So all these things are in our toolbox, and it's about integrating them into our lives. Just little things, little ideas, just adding things into your life from your toolbox. Yep. Good ideas, hey? So I bless you in oneness, in oneness, in oneness. I bless you today with being able to connect with yourself, connect with nature. Find some grass somewhere. Sometimes it gets a little bit hard to do that. But if you can, find some grass in your smoko time, your lunchtime if you're working. Fit it in. Prioritize yourself and get out, get yourself grounded, connect with yourself, connect with nature. And just take a couple of minutes, even a few minutes, just to breathe and drop into gratitude and appreciation for all that we have and all that we are. Otherwise, what's the point? You know, what is the point? So I bless you today with ease, flow, and grace. I bless you with gratitude and appreciation. And I bless you with just time to connect. Yeah, bless you with time. Have the happiest day. And what day is it today? Wednesday. We'll be dancing again tomorrow. So I'll see you on the dance floor. And in the meantime, do some lounge room dancing. Get the music on, get your body moving. You'll just feel so much better for it. Much love and blessings. See you then.